Yes, PHLV Radio.
PHLV Radio.
Katotong Informento. Abot kamay. Alas 6:10 na po ng hapon dito sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Pakinggan niyo ito, Rex Recarte, Rodney Haleco. Ito na ipangako ko sa ating mga kababayan na noong nakaraang linggo ay aking unti-unting isi-share at ipapakita sa inyo ang hinggil sa natuklasan namin ni Mrs. na matatawag nating Miracle Mineral Water. Ngayon, ating pakinggan ang isang testimonya ng isang 85 years old na lola kung papaano ito nakatulong sa kanyang iniindang sakit sa katawan, partikular ang kanyang binting na mamaga na napagaling ng produktong ito, ang SB10. Inihaplas niya ito bago matulog at iniinom. Pero ito po, siya pakinggan natin si Lola Juanita Olmedo. Okay, pakipaliwanag lang kung paano, ano masasabi mo tungkol sa paggamit ng SB10.
Ay, napakahusay. Kasi ang aking kamay, baluktot masakit. At saka ngayon, ay mas na-expand na, hindi na arthritic. At ikiluskus-kus ko lang sa braso. And then, ang aking legs, my legs are swollen. And I don't take painkillers. I have used all kinds of gel, expensive, from $400 and $200. It helped, but not as active as this one to heal the pain. Because I don't take painkillers. And then I call this the Miracle Mineral Water. So affordable yet, but I drop on my palm and massage it under my feet. The effect is so fast, amazing. So I call it the Miracle Water. And I drop 5 drops on my coffee in the morning, and it helps a lot. I rub it on my head, my left eye that has palpitating pain, at sa right hand ng noo ko na mayroon akong cataract. I don't like any surgery, so I just massage 2 drops on the right side.
Every day?
Every day, every night before I went to sleep. And it helped me sleep a lot, so I don't feel the patak-tak palpitating sakit sa noo. I really could recommend this to everyone. I know I'm sending to my family members to the Philippines, Australia. I call this the Miracle Mineral Water.
How old are you now, Juanita?
I'm 84. I really recommend it to everyone. So all my family members are gonna have this.
Narinig nyo ang mga tinuran ni Lola Juanita Olmedo Lerma. 84 siya ngayon, going to 85. Naibsan ang kanyang pananakit na kanyang Informento. Abot kamay.